there are some so many problems in the family. Sometimes there is need to work outside. That time you can't do offline courses.
Yes, ma'am.
So that time online courses is boon for that person. If they are doing online courses, they can choose their timing slot. If they are free in the evening, they can take classes. And if they are missing some classes, they have some recorded lectures.
Yes.
Channel? Do you have any YouTube channel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Every day you are uploading video, conversation video.
No, ma'am. Every day not. I have too much work. I'm also working person, 9 hours work. So not.
Because there are lots of work, editing, making thumbnails. It taking so much time.
Yes, ma'am.
But yes, you can take help from some video. There are so many videos on the YouTube where you can learn how can we do, how can we make good thumbnails, how can we do, editing work.
Yeah.
And after learning this, you can make your video, very impressive.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, so we are meeting again. So please introduce yourself little bit because I know about you.
Okay, ma'am. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Devendra Kumar Mato. I am from Bihar, but currently now living in Oman, Muscat. I am working person. I am working KFC as a cashier position before 2 years. My
Mhm.
hobby is learning new things. There are 5 members in my family, including me. That's all about myself.
Hmm. I'm Tanya. I'm joining you from Jaipur, Pink City. I'm a homemaker. My hobby is watching good movies, singing songs, and every day doing conversation with my co-learners. That's all about me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So
Very nice.
like you are working as a cashier. Do you think it's a challenging job working as a
Yes,
cashier?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Lots of challenges I also face. So sometimes customer is I not for fresh food, so angry customer handling. Sometimes uh, customer behavior is also different. So this
Hmm.
types of challenging. Some customer
Sometimes
is
they are very rude.
yes.
They are,
Sometimes customer is
misbehaving.
also yeah. So English is also for sometimes customer is American English talking with me. So I don't proper yeah
Hmm.
knowledge for this.
Because American English accent is different. They are speaking very
Yeah,
fast.
very fast. Yes,
Yes. So it could be difficult for us.
yes, ma'am. So I support also with my manager.
Mm, mm. Okay. So in your opinion, American accent is difficult for you. But if someone is talking Indian accent and British accent, you can easily understand.
Easily accent, but I also for not fluency. I'm a beginner person, so sometimes mistake my grammatical topics.
Grammar mistakes. But over time, you will reduce this problem. Like right now, you are doing everyday conversation. So after some time, you can, reduce this problem, grammatical mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So today topic is online education or offline education.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, very nice
So
topic.
what do you think about online education? Do you think it's really
Um,
beneficial for us?
Very beneficial for online education because
Hmm.
my self timing for this online education
Hmm.
sometimes work. Not every person settled for family. Every person
Hmm.
sometimes people is there also for a financial issue. So sometimes working there and
Hmm.
different type of people is working there and recorded video after myself timing and recorded sessions. So it
Hmm.
is beneficial for online video, like online channels
Yes.
and learning for this
Like if
online.
you don't have good amount of money because there are some
Yeah,
so many problems in the family.
yeah,
Sometimes there is need to work outside. That time you can't do offline courses.
yes, ma'am.
So that time online courses is boon for that person. If they are doing
Yeah,
online courses, they can choose their timing slot. If they are free in
yes,
the evening, they can take classes. And if they are missing some classes, they have some recorded lectures.
yes,
These coaching centers had some lectures, so you can again watch these lectures and you can gain your knowledge. But
yes,
yeah, there
ma'am.
are some drawbacks also.
Yes.
Like drawbacks are, first of all, if you are doing online courses, so first of all, you should make a habit of self discipline, because if you are doing, online courses, sometimes we are distracted
Mm.
some other works, and
And
especially
amount
in
is
the
also,
children case, and especially in the
yeah,
children case, they are doing, sometimes they are just watching here and there, they are, doing something other thing. So that time mother's role is double. They are always,
yeah.
keeping the eye of their children, what they are doing.
Yeah, this one person is not also mature.
Because kids are not mature, they don't know. So sometimes they are doing some, um, no, they are very naughty sometimes in some cases.
Yeah.
But if you are an adult, if you are understanding what is the importance of this online course, online education, so yes, you can do. But in the children case, you have always keep an eye on your children.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. And in the offline classes, what is your opinion?
Offline classes also better because consistency, focus,
Hmm.
mindset
Hmm.
also for only for not divert for other
Hmm.
thinking.
Hmm.
So this one class is also for mahal, like this type
Environment.
of
It will make an
environment.
environment, and it is a traditional classroom
Yeah.
setup.
Yes. So these types of also good offline, but of not person affordable. Some people are affordable for offline classes.
Hmm.
So our
Hmm.
distance is also for long problem distance,
Hmm.
not
Like in
for
some regions, there are not good, schools, good colleges, some other
yeah,
problem, road problems. Yes.
yeah, traveling problems. Yeah,
Hmm.
some people.
Hmm. So they can do online courses. Yes. Like there are so many courses related to MBA courses. You can do MBA part time.
Yes.
Right now it's available. There are so many courses you can do,
Um,
and you can choose at online
because
portal.
also
But
mature
yes,
person, adult person is not problem for this one. Sometimes
hmm.
only for focus for learning, no problem for online classes.
Actually,
Also mature.
yesterday I got a call. There are some, reputed Akash, Allen, some other institutes, and they had
Yeah.
started classes for 6 to 8, and it's online classes, so you can take for your children. So I was just, searching. Then I fill all the entries, and I was very curious what kind of activity they are doing. So they give me a call. Then I talked that customer care executive, and she told me all things. 5 days they will take classes, and if your child is missing some classes, they will give me recorded lectures.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the benefit. Like there is no need to go outside for tuition. You can take your tuition just sitting at your home.
Yeah. Sure.
Yes. And they, told me all the fee structure. I was just thinking, okay, I should enroll my child or not. Because right now it's a fab month, and in her school there are so many, UDS, some project work, and in the March annual exam is going to start.
Yeah.
Yes. But on the online classes, it can affect your children's eye. If they are continuously watching on the screen, it can affect your
Affect.
child's
Yes.
eye. Yes.
Yeah.
So I think they should take gap 10 minutes, 20 minutes
But,
from the screen.
yeah, yeah, only 30 minutes is also
Hmm.
gaps for this type of, yeah, not
Hmm.
for, mm.
I'm observing like today, are you on off? Like you have holiday?
No holiday after 1 hours go for shift because right now learning, I also for learning 1.5 hours per day. So my thing I
Okay.
prepare for else. Yeah.
Did you also practice with your colleague?
Yes, everyday practice colleagues.
Hmm. They are good in English, in speaking part?
No, good, not already this one also learning times another people also. So
They are also struggling just like you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. Every person. Because I belong to middle class family, not for. I also education for government schools,
Hmm. And if
Hindi
you
medium.
have keen desire to work in foreign country, then you should learn this language.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely right.
Yes. So did you suggest your colleagues that there is one application, Skype application? There are so many co-learners every day. You can find your partner and you can do practice. Did you suggest?
Some people I also suggest, but some people are also for work involved, not for mindset for growth. This types of mindset. So
Ah.
work every person work pressure, but thinking about my future also secondary, not for
Hmm.
one time. Some people are thinking about growth, so also for learn without learn is not more earn. So
Actually,
firstly need for
you
learn.
are passionate for this language. This is the reason you
Yeah.
joined here. But they are, they have interest. We should learn, but they are not so much passionate.
Yes. So because my
Yes, this
thinking
is
is
the problem.
firstly learning,
Hmm.
because not for
Hmm.
learn, not too much earn.
And sometimes they are making lame excuses like I'm very busy, I have no time for learning this language.
Yeah,
And sometimes, some person have shy nature. What
yes.
will
This
people
type of
say?
thing.
This man is not able to speak English. These are the common problems.
Yes, yes. Every person is a common problem. I not
But
mistakes. I not learn for every mistake. I learn for mistake one day.
but I think we should always forget like we are doing mistakes because it's a new language for us. I can say second language for us. Hindi is our first language, and our
Yeah.
environment is full of Hindi people.
Yes.
So they are watching your videos also on YouTube. Your colleagues, your friend, family members.
Yes, ma'am. Every right now I watch for Nisu Gupta. I completed. This
Mm-hmm.
person is also good knowledge.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
You also talking
No.
with
I am
person.
saying like you had created your channel, YouTube channel, where you are uploading your conversation videos. So your colleagues are watching your videos or family members who are watching your
No,
videos.
no, colleagues are watching, but not too much video uploaded, only two video. So right now I
Mm-hmm.
learned first of all listening is I also my thinking is listening practically also. So listening after that grammatical topics,
Mm-hmm.
strong, then good
But if
English.
you are, if you are regularly uploading your video, so you can rectify your mistakes after watching your
Yeah,
videos.
yeah, right, right.
And
So ma'am,
self
one my
practice
question,
is
ma'am.
must. Yes. Do you have? Are you asking any question?
So ma'am, my question is first. So how
Hmm.
can I improve myself?
There is only one key. First of all, you should, always consistent. Every day you should do practice. Sometimes if you are occupied, then you can do audio sessions. Okay. And if you are interested for self-talk, there are so many persons who are doing self-talk. So you can do self-talk. Okay. You can talk with your, clients, your manager, your colleagues, your friends. And if you have time, then you should do video conversation. And you should select topics. There are so many topics.
And ma'am, good habits, any 4 to 5 good
Good
habits, ma'am.
habits. Good habits like every day. If you are interested for watching news, there are so many persons who are very interested for watching news. I am also that kind of person. I always watch news, English news. So you can follow some English channel like Times Now, CNN, BBC, okay, where you can, where you can update it every day. And second thing, if you are a avid reader, like there are some person who are very good in reading stories, novels. So you can opt just as per your choice. If you are interested for novel, so you can choose novel for reading English novel. Okay, not Hindi novel, English. Okay. And if you are interested for short stories, so you can choose any book like Panchtantra. And there is one book also, I forget the name. Hmm. Some English books also, children book. Okay, so you can read it every day. But it
Yes,
all depends on your choice. And if you are, because I'm very fond of watching movies, So I watch so many movies, okay, like Telugu, Malayalam, English movies, whenever I am getting time. So these are the, some practices you can do every day. I think we should wind up this session. We have
Yes.
talked a lot, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.